Yes. I've been there too. Whether you've just started online and haven't earned your first commission, or you have been earning commissions here and there, and want to scale things up quickly. I've been where you are right now. But, right now I'm getting so far, good results. I tried just about everything, wasted a lot of time, and money, and struggled to get serious results. I'm here to tell you it's not your fault. The gurus have lied to you over and over again. Don't get me wrong, affiliate marketing is a great way to make a lot of money. But it's just not as easy as they all say. You need to be able to do technical stuff. You have to find the best offers to promote. You have to be able to find visitors. You have to spend time and money testing things out. You have to build an email list. This takes time, money, and effort. And most affiliate marketers give up and quit before they ever get solid results. None of the gurus out there tell you any of this. They sugarcoat things and they make affiliate marketing sound really easy. And that's because they know if they told you that it could take weeks, months, or even years to make solid money, as an affiliate, you wouldn't buy their products. Plus, the more you struggle, the more money you'll spend, buying courses and training, and trying to finally get results online. The good news is there's a much better way. I have been doing this for a long time now, and even now I have tough days. Anyone who thinks running a business online or even offline is easy, is going to be shocked when they get started. But you can start to get results like these. I am sure we have all seen these quotes online about the iceberg effect and so on. This really is true. Before you start anything, always ask yourself, are you willing to put the work in to make this thing work? Are you willing to miss out on things to make this business work? To get massive results online, without any affiliate marketing experience required? I've found a complete system that finally makes it easy for anyone. A simple, effective, and proven way to generate some serious affiliate commissions in your spare time. Now, it amazes me that this community has grown from 0 to over 100,000 members. And the system has generated over 1 million in commissions. This is truly incredible growth, a success story that is fit to share. Are you tired of wasting your time, your money on methods that don't work? You need to get in today. At OLSP, we're all about stepping up the marketing game, so it's high time. We make a big upgrade to our website to keep up with the latest tools in the system. This new and improved site is a result of countless brainstorming and utter hard work, where we made sure that every user gets to experience only the best, from the tools to the analytics and training. It's all made better for everyone. So get ready for more user-friendly features, more interactive dashboard, mobile responsive design, quick access to products, fast support service. More importantly, we're showing a new and improved OLSP Academy training that is more comprehensive than ever. So mark your calendar for this big and exciting launch of 2022. Click on the link below to join.